For those of us who can think, it's clear that the brain is the most essential organ in the body. Its intricate structure enables us to think, remember, feel emotions, and control critical functions such as movement, vision, breathing, and meaningful interactions with the world. Yet, despite the brain's vital role in understanding and navigating the world, some animals not only survive but thrive without one. Number 10. Sea squirts, or ascidians, are tube-shaped marine invertebrates found globally, mostly in tropical and temperate waters. One end attaches to surfaces like rocks, while the other expels water through two openings. Though its structure is somewhat similar to vertebrates, including a simple central nervous system, the sea squirt lacks a brain. Its neural tube includes a sensory vesicle, a cord, and ganglia to send signals, functions handled by the brain in other animals. Interestingly, research suggests consuming sea squirts may have anti-aging effects on the human brain. Number 9. Common along beaches, jellyfish are simple invertebrates lacking spines, bones, and muscles as we know them. Instead, they move by squirting water from their fluid-filled bells. Without a brain, the Caribbean box jellyfish and similar species still exhibit learning abilities. Researchers have found that their nerve cells themselves process experiences, demonstrating that a brain isn't always required for learning. Number 8. Despite its resemblance to synthetic kitchen sponges, the sea sponge is a living organism. These aquatic animals have dense, porous skeletons and remain stationary, filtering water, collecting bacteria, and processing carbon and nitrogen. Although it has no brain, organs, or tissues, studies reveal that sea sponges contain genetic precursors to nervous systems, making them key to understanding evolutionary biology and human history. Number 7. Oysters, a seafood staple, are animals with a lifespan of up to 20 years. Their simplicity makes them appear more like rocks than creatures, yet they have vital organs such as a mouth, stomach, heart, and muscles. Without a brain or nervous system, oysters can still detect threats and even change gender multiple times. Their inability to feel pain sparks debates among vegetarians and vegans about their inclusion in ethical diets. Number 6. Among the most abundant organisms on Earth, nematodes live in soil freshwater and even extreme environments like beer malts. These hermaphroditic creatures lack brains, but have neurons that allow them to perform essential functions. Studies on nematodes have offered insights into repairing neural pathways, potentially aiding research on human brain damage. Number 5. These colorful bivalve mollusks are often found just beneath the sand on beaches. Without a brain, coquina clams rely on small sensors connected to nerve clusters to detect waves, allowing them to surf to nutrient-rich waters. As sensitive indicators of beach health, their presence helps biologists monitor the impact of environmental changes and sand replenishment projects. Number 4. Known for its spiny exterior, the sea urchin lacks both a brain and eyes. Instead, it uses photoreceptor cells spread across its body to detect light and respond to stimuli moving toward or away from objects. This decentralized vision, discovered in 2011, highlights its adaptability despite the absence of a central brain. Number 3. Resembling colorful flowers, sea anemones paralyze prey with neurotoxic tentacles before consuming them. Despite their complexity, they lack a brain and instead function through a simple structure of adhesive feet, tentacles, and a bifunctional mouth-anus. Sea anemones also form symbiotic relationships with algae and clownfish, offering protection and exposure to sunlight. Number 2. A favorite among marine enthusiasts, starfish are echinoderms, not fish. These five-armed creatures pump seawater through their systems instead of blood, and recently were revealed to possess a head structure despite lacking a brain. Their decentralized nervous system enables movement and environmental response. Number 1. Often mistaken for jellyfish, this siphonophore is a colony of single-celled organisms working together. Floating on the ocean's surface, it relies on winds and currents for movement. Its venomous tentacles capture prey, while its lack of a brain leaves it at the mercy of environmental conditions, often resulting in beach stranding.